Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. While I was editing this, I realized that I just never filmed an intro, so I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. But I'm so excited for this vlog because we went up north again. If you've seen my other videos, you can tell that my friend group and I always go up north. It's like our annual trip. One of the days we went to Traverse and the other day we went to Charlevoix, and we went gambling for the first time at Turtle Creek. I was up $20 for like a little bit, but then I ended up losing the $25 that I put in, so that was upsetting. But anyways, this is what a weekend in up north Michigan looks like. Alright, who am I here with today? So what's your game day routine?
Wake up at the crack of dawn and do a loop around the lake, swimming. Come back, take a nap, and then I'm ready to play.
I like it, I like it.
Who am I here with today?
My name is Emma Dorn.
How did you train coming into today's game?
So I started off with a quick 3-mile run and then 500 push-ups, no biggie. Alright, introduce yourself.
My name's Gracie, I'm 6'7".
What's your walkout song?
Fat by the Baby, PHAT.
Alright, who am I here with today?
I'm McKenna.
And tell us why you're gonna win this game today.
You know, me and my partner, we've been training for this for years now. There's no shot we lose. We've won every game we've ever played in, and I just don't lose.
Go. Daddy Shack. Daddy Shack. Daddy Shack. Daddy Shack.
Nothing good.
This here. 4 glasses for $4. At my age, I need glasses. Real. And there's 4 of them for the 4 of us.
And there's 4 shirts left.
Oh, that's a sign. Wait, this kind of is perfect.
And it's a cuter color.
That's the same color.
It's really cute. I didn't hate the color.
I don't really like the color either.
have to.
If you can't tell, yesterday actually drained me. We met up with McKenna's cousin and his friend, and they work at like this boating dock place. They're allowed to take like the boats out for free. You just have to cover for gas. So we literally went tubing. I tried to like surf for the first time on like the back of the boat. And I got up, I just couldn't actually stay up. But yeah, we went boating for like 3 hours and we had to wait for after dark. So we were out there like while the sun was setting, and it was actually so beautiful. Insert this picture that the boys took of us that is actually the cutest thing ever. Sadly, it's our last day here. We all woke up at like 11 a.m., which is the latest that all of us have woken up. We were just so tired from boating. So we're gonna go run and grab some coffee and then probably just hang outside the whole time, play some spike ball, go in the water maybe if it's not too cold. And yeah, we're gonna leave kind of early so I don't have to drive in the dark.
Very much a review. Bro, that is a shot of matcha. In a mini cup. Earl Grey tea with butterflies. Butterfly powder.
What does that mean?
It's the powder from butterflies wings. I'm joking.
This is like my 4th time staying here, 4th or 5th, I actually have to check. And I've written in their book every single time, so of course I have to keep the tradition going. Guys, I'm actually so sad to leave. This was so fun. I wish we could stay up here longer. Now we have like a 3-ish hour drive home. Then I'm gonna drop the girls off and shower. Like, this is so bad, but I literally haven't washed my hair up here because I don't really like well water. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
It has been a hatching.
Wait,
Here, go find your brother and sister.
Gosh, she's dumping. Don't be.